Assalamu alaikum and welcome to KS Academy. In today's lecture, we are solving a steel circular column in ABAQUS. First, we create a part by using a part section. Create here a part column. 3D deformable, solid, extrusion, continue. Okay. The next, we create a circle by here. Next, we put a dimension of this circle. You can modify dimension by this. I create a circle of 200 mm. Okay. This is the dia created. Now we can click on OK. Done. Extrusion up to 2000 mm depth. Okay. The column is now created. Now we create a part. By creating a part section here, we can create a new create part, general, mechanical, elastic. Young modulus of steel is 200 GPa. Poisson ratio is 0.3. Okay, now we can analysis on the elastic behavior of column. You can also analysis plastic behavior, damage for ductile material, etc. Okay, the material is created. Now we create a section. By creating a section homogeneous solid, continue. We select a material here. We click OK. Now we assign this section by this icon. Create. Select the column. Now assign the section. The property is assigned to the column. Now we create assembly. By creating assembly, the assembly is already created. Now we rotate this column. Here you can see the rotate option. By clicking on this, rotate and along x direction. Start point is 0, origin 1, 0, 0. 90-degree. No, the column is rotate, but we need to rotate it to 70-degree. The column is created upward. Now you can see the column is rotated. Now the next step is step. Here you can create an initial step is already created. We create a new step by clicking here. Step 1, general, static general. You can also analysis of a column buckling analysis. You can see here. You can also analysis buckling analysis from here. Now we only analysis static general analysis. Continue. Non-linear effect is off. Okay. Now the step is created. Now here is no interaction, no other object can we interact with this column. We apply a load, apply a concentric load, concentric force by clicking this. Here you can see we can apply a pressure of concentric pressure here. Continue, select this surface, done. Apply a magnitude of minus 50 kilonewton. This upward, remove the minus 50. Okay. The force is applied on downward direction. Here you can see the pressure is applied on the column cross section. Now we create a fixed support by selecting this surface, create a fixed support. Now we create a fixed support. The next step is we analyze apply a mesh on the column section. This create already auto mesh is applied on this column section. You can change the mesh property from here. You can optimize your converge point etc. from here. Next step is job. Create a job, continue, OK, submit. Our right already exist mean the job one is already exist in my file. Now we monitor. Job is complete successfully. Now the job is start completed. Because this is elastic analysis to complete fastly. This is the stresses of the column. This is the reaction force. We can see the reaction force symbol from here. Yield point, stresses, deformation, etc. You can see from here. The deformation here is 0. Deformation here is maximum. Now this is the whole analysis of column in compression. You can see when we apply a load and fixed support, the column is compressed. You can play with this. Here you can change the step 1. This is the whole analysis of column. You can U1, U2, U3. Also you can check reaction force. Reaction force 1, reaction force 2 is maximum. Here reaction force 3 is none. Here you can see the reaction forces. Stresses, S11 stresses, S12, S2, all stresses. Here you can see. This is the whole process of column analysis and ABAQUS.